Welcome to our recipe, lemon poppy seed chicken wraps. We are using a healthy tone it up dressing. You can pause, check out that recipe, and start by grilling your chicken, whether it's the barbecue, the oven, however you want. Next, we're gonna need black pepper, sea salt, poppy seeds, rice vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, yogurt, and honey and lemon. And begin by slicing your lemon, and we are going to mix everything together. This is all for the dressing. Get a jar or something that you can put all your ingredients into and start mixing it together. So we have our lemon and we're adding our honey. Again, you can follow the recipe or you could just do what feels right. So right now we're just adding all the ingredients. So when I say yogurt, just make sure that it is the non-flavored, so plain Greek yogurt. That is what you want. You do not want flavored yogurt. That would be gross. Grab your chicken, let it cool, get your wraps ready, whatever plate you want to use. I am using whole wheat tortilla wraps, but you can use whatever you desire. Next, grab a type of cheese. I'm using white shredded cheese. Chop your chicken, chop your avocado, use whatever green you want. I'm using kale, it's extra healthy. Get your avocado out, put the chicken in the wraps, make it nice proportions so that it's not too thick of a wrap. And then you don't want too much dressing because you don't want it too watery. And you can see that the dressing's a little on the watery side, so you could probably do a little bit more yogurt if that's the case. But I thought it was perfect consistency for mine, and it added a really good flavor. Next, you're gonna wanna roll your wraps. So however you like to roll your wraps, that is what we're gonna do next. And make sure they're nice and tight so that they don't fall apart when we're eating them. And there we have it, our delicious wraps. I'm so excited to eat them. They were amazing. I hope you guys make them a nice healthy lunch. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Food Friday episode.